Hey friends, if you wish to encrypt and secure OneDrive files, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open your file explorer, go to OneDrive, and there's something called as personal vault. Anything that is inside this personal vault will be secure. Okay. So you can simply open it and add your file there. Okay. Wait, I will enter the code. Okay, and then once you're inside the personal vault, you can add anything to it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.